Why are you so quiet over here? Would you kindly tell me? Oh, he bit through this. Excuse that. Hey, talk to me. Are you gonna talk to me? Are you gonna say hi to mommy? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. He's such a puppy. Kane, say hello to all your viewers. Say hello. I am Kane. And I have a new friend over here. Who is very aggressive. Ow. Okay, all right. Ow. Ow, all right. Just come on my hand. Ow. All right. Come say hi to Kane. Come here. Come on. Come say hi to Kane. Come say hi to Kane. Kane, say hi to the birdie. Kane, how dare you ignore me? Where are you going? Look at the birdie. Say hi, birdie. Oops. Oh. She flew back over there where I'm going to try to put her on him. All right. Don't fight me. Okay. Ow. Oh, you're so mean. You are mean. Oh. It's okay. Come here. All right, let's try this one more time. Ow! Just get on my finger. Guys, stop fighting me. Ouch. Oh my God, you are so mean. Look that's a pit bull right there, guys. That's a pit bull. Oh, Kane, don't do that. Really? See, that's what happens when you have a Cane Corso. Never have a table like this. Okay. All right, so he's already laying there. So I'm just going to take the bird. Okay, so I'm going to be fighting with her. I think again. Wait a second. Hurts. Okay. Wait. Relax. Stop. Oh, she attacked me. She's really aggressive right now. Okay, let's do this. Come on. Okay. Come on. No. Oh, no. Okay. Relax. Let's put you on top of here. I tried, guys. I really tried. Kane, tell everybody what you did to the couch. Why don't you? He did that when he was younger. Well, he's only 13 months. Right? Say, I'm only 13 months. He doesn't do it anymore though. Right, boy? Right, you're growing up? Kane. You know, he had lost some weight. I don't know if you guys can see that. His bones. He was a little slimmer than this because there was a time that he stopped eating. He didn't want to eat the food that I was giving him, so I had to change him to like maybe Diamond because I was giving him Okanuba. Then I tried Diamond and he didn't want it. And then someone told me about, it's called, what is the name of that brand? Oh, let me see it. Let me see. I have it here. Let me see. Hold on. See, I got the bags in the closet so that they won't get them. It's called Canine X. That's what I've been giving them, and it looks like it's pretty good. It has a lot of, come on, nutritional values. Come on, go. That's his couch. Anyway, so I wanted to know, or may I ask, if any of what kind of food do you feed your dog, and what do you think is good? Yeah, that's about it. Say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. We'll end with this. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Ouch. That hurts. And she shakes it too. Look. She's mean. That really hurts too. Especially when she pecks initially and then grabs you. Ouch. Oh man, you are one feisty one. She actually stays up here. And at the bottom is where the dog sleeps. I just started putting him here to sleep because he always sleeps in my room. Oh! Ooh! Ooh, she is feisty. Look at that. Ooh, right. She's too cute. I got to grow to love her. I actually got her from outside. There were, Kane actually went to go use the bathroom. This is so funny. And he lifted up his leg to pee. And somebody told me, there's birds there. I looked down. I'm like, oh my God, Kane is urinating on the poor birds. It was actually two of them. One never came back, and this one just always stuck around. And damn, what was I saying? I think I was talking about how I got her, right? Oh yeah. So I brought them up here and I hand fed them. And look how big it's still a baby. It's still not like big yet. She's still little. Anyway, so I hand fed them and till eventually one left. I think that he couldn't find his way back. Because there was one time where he flew away and I found him in the front courtyard. And I brought him back upstairs. And this one always stood close. She'll go to different balconies, but... And I just cleaned this today. Look at this, guys. Look. Literally. I cleaned this today. And she poops so much. Why do you make a mess? This is horrible. Are you ever going to find your flock? You have to go fly away. Sometimes we let her out in the back so that she can travel, but she doesn't go nowhere. She be at the balcony. She'll go around to other people's balcony, but she will always return to this balcony, and she just, if I don't open the door, she would sit outside the balcony through the window looking inside, like, let me in. That's what she does. Like, let me in. I'm not going anywhere. And I have to open up the door and I have to put her up here. And I got her used to going on top of here because she didn't go up there before. But there's a battle between him and her because my son calls this bird a boy and I call it a girl. So do you guys think that this is a boy or a girl? I mean, according to her or his behavior. I mean, I don't know, maybe a male, right? I don't know. Because he's very territorial. See, he's very territorial. If he was a parrot, he will bite the finger out of you. Say goodbye, everyone. All right. Anyways, like I said, like and subscribe. Bye, guys.